Hello and welcome to another video. In this one I'm going to be talking about a series of trucks that were produced in Russia for Made in Russia, the Part 3 series. And these are the Kamaz 5320 tipper and box truck. They're roughly about a 1/43 scale. And they are beautifully done. Now the doors don't open to show any interior, but that part's really kind of irrelevant. But if you look at the tipper, it does tip out, doesn't really stay unless you fully extend it out. Then a kind of friction stays. But the really nice part about these you pull it back, this little section here that clips, you undo to show a bit of the engine, in which also the shifter will go back through the cab, through an opening. Now both trucks are the exact same, so it doesn't really make any sense showing you both. But that is the Russian-made Kamaz tipper. Now the underside, as you could see, it's nice die-cast construction, dual axles, really nicely done, and it's like that on both. Of course, this is a series of models that I've been collecting for quite a while now, and there are several other different types that they do make, but I haven't found yet. One day I will. When I do, I'll show them, but they are getting harder and harder to find now here in Canada, and at least in decent shape. Find them in slightly different colors, but overall these are the two that I've found. Like in previous videos I've said that I really do like these Russian die-cast that came out in the 80s and early 90s and exported all over the world. They are very nicely made, display very well. And for collectors, if you could find them, these are ones that you actually should get. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.